So hey guys, check this out. So the Shaolin parts are back from paint. They have base color coated on them. Now before we apply clear, we have to apply the sticker. So like the previous stickering videos, I'm going to attempt the stickering myself. I've also made this special gear pattern sticker for the tank. So without further ado, let me put you guys on a tripod and then we'll show a time lapse of how the stickering is done. Finally, the stickering work is done. It took much less than I anticipated. About 20-25 minutes is all it took. The results are pretty good, as you can see. There's nothing major which is wrong. Every sticker is perfectly aligned. So this would be given for a clear coat post this. So as you can see, the side stickers are also pretty aligned. It's peeling at some points, but that will become fine once the sticker dries up. Some of you purists may notice that I have added a sticker here. Originally it doesn't come from the factory here. It is actually pasted here on a Shogun. A Shaolin has this gear shift pattern sticker. So the main reason why I stuck it here is because the only other place where I could put this is on the lid. So applying clear coat to chrome lid is not a great idea, and that is something which will suffer a lot of wear and tear. So this is another position where the company could have, put the sticker if they would have put the sticker on the Shaolin. So with this, the stickering work is done. So I'll give it for clear coat most likely tomorrow, hopefully. There is one more sticker which needs to go here, the small Suzuki sticker, which is on this piece, but unfortunately that doesn't come as part of the sticker kit. The sticker kit is the same sticker kit that I had a problem with in the RXZ. So let's keep our fingers crossed. I'll also ask them to take extra care when they are spraying clear coat on top of it. So now the only thing that needs to be done is I'll put this somewhere safe from where it can dry peacefully. So most likely that would be inside the Zen. So that is where I've kept rest of the painted stuff. So I think that would conclude this video. So I haven't shown you guys how the remaining painted parts look like as of now. I actually got it 2 weeks ago. The main reason why I couldn't do a video on that is because I was little busy, and plus there was a loss of a very dear friend last Sunday. Not last Sunday, last to last Sunday. So I was kind of little upset with all that, so I couldn't focus much on the videos. So going forward, I think now we have a bit more time. My mind has cleared up a bit, so we'll shoot more videos frequently. So yeah, most likely if everything goes well, we'll start assembling everything by the end of this week. So let's hope there are no major challenges. So I'll go ahead and put this in the Zen so that it sits there safe, and then probably let's wait for it to dry, and tomorrow hopefully I can give it for clear coat. Okay, so that concludes this video. Thanks for watching. Good night.